I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware: a functioning router, a Cat5e or Cat6 cable, and the Ps4 powered on. Plug one end into the Ps4 LAN jack and the other into an open router port. This gives you a direct, low-latency link. Once done, go to Settings, then Network, and select Setup Internet Connection. Choose Use a LAN cable to begin. This immediately bypasses Wi-Fi variability and sets you up for a stable throughput and lower ping. Exactly what wired networking delivers. You now decide between Easy and Custom. Easy works for most users because it auto-assigns IP and DNS. If you pick Custom, set IP address to automatic so the router assigns it, leave DHCP hostname unset, and choose DNS automatic or enter a public DNS like 8 for possible lookup speed improvements. Set MTU to 1500 and proxy to do not use. After adjusting, run test internet connection to verify download, upload, and NAT type. These steps you finish by testing the connection and checking NAT type. This tells you if online play will be restricted. If speeds or NAT are problematic, make sure to reserve a static IP on the router and forward PlayStation ports to that IP for open connectivity. Once done, restart the Ps4 and router to apply settings. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip: power cycle modem and router. Then swap the Ethernet cable or port. Often the simplest change resolves link or speed failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.